Hello, seventh graders. We are now at week 9 of online learning, starting on Monday, May 25th. But really, you're not starting on that day because it is Memorial Day. So I hope you have a very happy Memorial Day and enjoy some time with your family. Fingers crossed that the weather is decent. So you really only have a couple days work because we don't have Friday as usual. So being that we need to finish up chapter 30, we do need to keep going on things. So Tuesday, just a reminder that your Newsela needs to be handed in, meaning that the quiz and the paragraph portion should be completed. Keep watching in Infinite Campus to see if your grade is low. If you would like to redo either part, you need to contact me so that we can set up how that's going to be done. All right, you should have started the packet for chapter 30 on China by doing 30.1 already. So today's homework is simply going to be continuing on to 30.2, which is questions 6 through 20, plus your vocabulary words. So please work carefully on that. Wednesday, you are going to have to continue on the China packet. So you are going to do the reading, the vocabulary, and the questions for section 30.3. So questions 21 through 35. There's also a TED Talk that you should watch. It is about the one-child policy in China, which is kind of a difficult topic to think about and see kind of how they manage to keep it at only one child. So, watch that if you're able. On Thursday, then, sections 1 through 3 should be complete of your packet. So you're going to then use a 17-minute video, which is found here, and make sure that you check your answers. Then you're going to use that packet to take a quiz, and the link is right here for you to take that quiz. You're then going to read and complete the vocabulary for questions 30.4. That's only questions 36 through 41, but there are a lot of vocabulary words. So please note that if you want to get started on vocabulary words for section 4 earlier, please feel free to do that. Now, remember, you have until Monday to complete that. It is a bit of a longer lesson with all that vocabulary words to do, and with the quiz and checking your packet, etc. So make sure that you set time aside to do that either on Thursday or on Friday or over the weekend. Make sure that the quiz by Friday at noon is done. It is a small summative, but if I don't see that you have completed that work, I don't know that you've done anything for the week. Therefore, I may mark you absent. So remember that. 30.4 needs to be done for Monday. And then next week, we are going to be finishing up sections 5, 6, and 7 and taking the test because that's the last week of school. So we are wrapping things up. We're almost done with the school year. So please try to keep up this week on chapter 30 with China. And please email me if you have any questions. We can always set up a Google Meet to walk through whatever problems you might have. All right, have a great week and a great Memorial Day.